Hey everyone, so today we are pulling from the card deck Shaman's Dream Oracle, I call it Baron Reed. Let's see what messages come through for us today. So if you want to focus on a question or just something general, just go ahead and do that. Let's see if this, what the universe has to say. All right. Okay, falling angel, spiritual narcolepsy. That's what it looks like. You might not be able to see that. It's kind of bright, very white, and it's an angel. So falling angel, spiritual narcolepsy. Basically, that is you're sleeping at the wheel of your own spirituality. Now, we kind of get, like I said before in other videos, that we are very much into this 3D reality, the tangibleness of it. But we can fall asleep regarding our own spirituality and our own connection with our source. That seems to be the theme this week, is that we're not connecting on a consistent basis with that sacredness within ourselves. We're not connecting with our higher consciousness or with our own divine source, our own divine essence. We're missing that piece of the puzzle. And this is such an essential piece. It is so important. Yeah, we can go about our day, we can go to our jobs, we can make money, we can do all the things that we are told that we should be doing in this society, or that we think that we should be doing. But if we are not connecting at a soul level with that divinity, with our own divinity, then we are missing something within ourselves. We will feel like we are missing something within ourselves. So to reconnect with this, or to bring this back into a stronger relationship, is to go into meditation, go into self-reflection, go out into nature, take some time for yourself, away from social media, away from electronics. Go out and go out to the park. Whatever it is that is going to reconnect you and connect you with your divine self. Meditation is a great way to do this, because now you're quieting the mind, you're quieting the body, and you are getting into that space, into that gap where you can hear the higher consciousness, where you can hear the voice of your divine self, your source. And once you begin to create that relationship, build a strong foundation in that relationship, the more that you will be able to connect quickly and frequently. And even as you are going about your day, as you are at your job, you don't necessarily need to do it during meditation, but meditation is a great way to get yourself there, so that the more you train yourself, your brain, your body, your emotion, everything, the more you train yourself to get into that state, the quicker and easier it is going to be, and the quicker you are going to connect to that source energy. So also part of this card that says Falling Angel, it's a realization of where we came from, that we are source energy, and that this is just our vessel, that we are having these experiences in this physical plane. So I'm sure you've heard before where spiritual beings having a physical experience, and we have to remember that, especially when our ego kind of takes control and manipulates and controls situations and things like that. If we just kind of get back into ourselves, back into that deeper connection with our sacredness, with our source, then we are not making those knee-jerk reactions. We're not making those decisions from the ego, but we are making choices and decisions from a place of love and a place of connection. So I hope this helped you today, and I will see you next time. Bye.